Hello, my name is Cindy, and here's Snowflake. She's going to be copying me, so you're going to see what she says. Hello, my name is Cindy. What's your name?
My name is Cindy. What's your name?
Huh? That's fun, because if you want to see my channel, it's DCANT. Type it in if you want to see it. DCAN, and you will see it. And if you go on YouTube, you can see my channels. So you go to DCTC. I will be there, but I'm going to be the tallest girl, and my hair is going to be long. So make sure you get this bird. I got it at Walmart. You see those little birdies in the cage? You will buy those. You have to buy those. What you said? What do you said? See, it copies me. So if you want to buy this little bird, you need 2 triple A's. 2. 1, 2. Hold on, bye. I need to go.